TJ Cotter. I come from Kansas City, Missouri, and I am 42 years old. How it started, I don't know exactly how it started, but it started about 7 years ago. It just started thinning through here, and didn't really know what to do until this guy told me about coming to Turkey. Keep the hairline I have. I want to fix all the thinning I have through here, because it's been thinning for about 7 years. Yeah, more density.
You don't want to change the line?
No, I just want all the way back to the crown, I think. I don't know how bad it is back there, but what I can see, it's all up here. So.
Okay. If this hairs fall down in the future, we don't know when.
Right.
Maybe 1 year, maybe 5 years, maybe not.
Right.
If it fall down, you need another operation.
Okay.
But one time it's good for you.
It was solid. It was quick. Like, you guys took care of everything pretty easily. Local anesthesia was a little rough, but after that, the rest of it was pretty easy.
Pretty smooth.
Yeah. Dude, I was about 400 pounds, and I used this guy as a personal trainer. He has a gym out by me, and so that's kind of how we began. And then we just became friends over that.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it was easy. I mean, like, the team was always responsive. Even after I had had surgery, I had hit my head on my lampshade in my room, and they responded pretty quickly to that when I hit them up and asked them what I should do. So follow the true transformation.